How to make deeply hydrating body butter cream, your winter skin savior. Winter can be harsh on your skin, leaving it dry, flaky, and in desperate need of hydration. If you've been searching for a natural solution to keep your skin soft, smooth, and deeply nourished, this DIY shea butter and avocado body butter cream is just what you need. Packed with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter and avocado oil, this luxurious cream creates a protective barrier to lock in moisture and shield your skin from the cold. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to make your own body butter cream using simple, natural, skin-loving ingredients. Not only is this recipe easy to follow, but it's also customizable to suit your unique skincare needs. Say goodbye to dry winter skin and hello to a radiant, healthy glow all season long. DIY shea butter and avocado body butter cream for beginners. Ingredients and percentages. 1. Shea butter, 50%. 2. Avocado oil, 25%. 3. Coconut oil, optional 20%. 4. Beeswax, optional 4%. 5. Essential oil, 1%. Equipment. Double boiler or heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water. Hand mixer or whisk. Glass jar for storage. Direction. Step 1. Melt the ingredients. 1. Set up your double boiler. Fill a pot with a few inches of water and place a heat-proof bowl on top, ensuring it doesn't touch the water. 2. Add the base oils. Place the shea butter, avocado oil, and coconut oil if using it into the bowl. 3. Include beeswax, optional, add it for a firmer cream consistency. 4. Melt gently, stir occasionally until all ingredients are fully melted. Step 2. Cool and whip. 1. Remove from heat, allow the mixture to cool slightly but not harden. 2. Add essential oils, stir in your chosen essential oils for fragrance and added skin benefits. 3. Whip the mixture, use a hand mixer to whip the cream until it becomes light and fluffy. This can take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your mixer speed. Step 3. Store and use. 1. Transfer to a jar, scoop the whipped body cream into a clean glass jar. 2. Store properly, keep it in a cool, dry place. 3. Application. Use daily after bathing to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and hydrated throughout winter. Remember, if you prefer a lighter texture, reduce the beeswax or increase the liquid oil slightly. Tips. Customize. Experiment with different oils like jojoba or almond oil based on your skin's needs. Patch test. Always test new products on a small skin area to check for allergies. Shelf life. This cream can last up to 6 months when stored properly. If you find this video helpful, share with someone who might need this today. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare hacks and recipes. See you in my next one. Bye.